Hello, culinary enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. As Thanksgiving 2023 approaches, many of us are gearing up to host the perfect dinner. Today, we're diving into the top 9 featured cookware essentials available on Amazon that are sure to elevate your Thanksgiving feast. So sharpen your knives and let's get cooking. The Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Round Dutch Oven. First up is the Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. This 4.3-quart beauty is a must-have for any Thanksgiving cook. The enamel coating ensures food doesn't stick, and the heavy cast iron construction promises even heat distribution for that slow-roasted perfection. It's renowned for its durability and has become a reliable staple in kitchens across the globe. The price point is a pleasant surprise, offering a high-end feel without breaking the bank. And users? They can't stop praising its versatility and ease of cleaning. Next, we have the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. This gadget is for the tech-savvy chef who loves precision. It's a game changer for cooking meats to the exact level of doneness, with Wi-Fi capabilities that allow you to control the cooking process from your smartphone. The reliability of Anova's Sous Vide technology has been celebrated in countless reviews, with users lauding its user-friendly interface and consistent results. It's an investment, but one that pays off for the serious cook. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro and Brushed Stainless Steel. This isn't just any oven. It's a multi-purpose marvel that can bake, roast, and air fry to golden perfection. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the epitome of multifunctionality. Crafted from brushed stainless steel, this oven boasts not just longevity and a sleek design, but also an impressive resistance to everyday kitchen wear and tear. The material choice here is key. Stainless steel doesn't rust, is easy to clean, and has a timeless look that complements any kitchen aesthetic. But what truly sets this oven apart are its cooking capabilities. With the ability to air fry, you're looking at a Thanksgiving turkey with skin that's perfectly crisp, without the guilt of deep frying. Imagine biting into a piece of turkey that's been cooked to succulent perfection on the inside, with a golden brown, crispy exterior. All achieved with little to no oil. And it doesn't stop at air frying. This oven is a master of versatility with its Element IQ system, which intelligently transfers heat across 6 quartz elements for precise and stable heat just where and when you want it. Whether you're baking pies, roasting vegetables, or even dehydrating that apple harvest from your backyard, this oven adjusts its heat distribution for optimal results. Reviewers often highlight its capacity to replace several kitchen appliances, making it a space-saving hero with exceptional reliability. The Oxo Brew 12-cup coffee maker with podless single-serve function. The Oxo Brew coffee maker is for the coffee connoisseurs. This 12-cup wonder brews a robust pot of coffee and boasts a podless single-serve function, embracing both economy and environmental consciousness. It's earned a reputation for reliability, with many users comparing its durability favorably to more expensive brands. While not the cheapest on the market, the price reflects its advanced features and the high-quality materials used in its construction. The glowing reviews often mention the flavor of the coffee it produces, a testament to its excellence. The Tfal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. Our fifth item is the Tfal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. This 12-piece collection is the cornerstone of practicality. The hard anodized construction speaks volumes about its durability, and the non-stick surface means easy cooking and cleanup, a blessing for any Thanksgiving aftermath. The price is reasonable for a full set, and users rave about its resilience and how it holds up over time, even with heavy use. The KitchenAid Curved Stainless Steel Candy and Deep Fry Thermometer. For those venturing into candy making or frying a turkey, the KitchenAid Candy and Deep Fry Thermometer is indispensable. Its curved stainless steel design ensures it's easy to read while clipped to your pan. Its durability is praised, as is its accuracy, which is crucial for these types of cooking. The price won't send your budget into a deep fry either, and the reviews back up its claim to be a reliable tool for any culinary adventure. For food enthusiasts and culinary perfectionists alike, preserving the integrity of ingredients is paramount, and the Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro is a testament to this principle. This isn't just any vacuum sealer, it's a top-tier gadget that seals the deal on freshness and flavor. As we prepare for the festive rush of Thanksgiving, let's delve into how this device can become an indispensable ally in your quest for the perfect meal prep and preservation. The Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro boasts a robust design that's both sleek and functional. Its intuitive interface is user-friendly, featuring a one-touch operation that makes sealing bags for sous vide cooking or freezer storage almost effortless. What's remarkable about this vacuum sealer is its precision. Equipped with a powerful dual pump, it ensures maximum air extraction, which is crucial for preventing freezer burn and extending the shelf life of your food. This means your Thanksgiving turkey leftovers will retain their moisture and flavor for weeks to come. The sealer is also designed to handle marinating, infusing your meats and vegetables with flavors more deeply and quickly than traditional methods. The Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro is designed with the user in mind. It's solidly built, giving a sense of durability that customers appreciate. Users rave about the reliability of its sealing mechanism, which provides consistent seals every time, a feature that's not just convenient, but also cost-saving. Moreover, the device features a built-in bag storage and cutter, streamlining the process of bag preparation. While the price point sits at a premium, it reflects the professional-grade experience it offers. Enthusiastic reviews often come from both seasoned chefs and home cooks who demand the best for their culinary creations, noting that it elevates their cooking game, particularly for sous vide enthusiasts who require airtight precision for the water bath. The Oxo Good Grip 7-piece nesting measuring beaker set. The Oxo Good Grip's measuring beaker set makes precision easy and storage even easier with its nesting design. These beakers are a favorite for their sturdiness and the clarity of the measurement markings. They're priced affordably, and users love them for their convenience and how they simplify any culinary measuring task. The Meter Plus Long-Range Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus stands out in the modern kitchen with its innovative approach to cooking meat. This smart meat thermometer is a marvel of technology, allowing chefs to monitor their dishes with unprecedented precision. It eradicates the guesswork from cooking, utilizing Bluetooth technology to provide real-time temperature readings to your smartphone from up to 165 feet away. This feature is especially useful during the busy Thanksgiving cooking when the oven is crowded and every dish demands attention. The Meter Plus ensures that your meat is cooked to the exact desired level, whether it be a succulent medium-rare roast or a perfectly tender turkey. Its accompanying app is a treasure trove of features, offering guided cook systems, estimated cooking times, and even alerts that notify you before your meat reaches the desired temperature, allowing ample time for rest before carving. In designing the Meter Plus, usability was evidently at the forefront. Its probe is sleek, wireless, and crafted with food-safe materials, ensuring it can withstand the intense environment of a roasting pan or grill. The durability is noteworthy. Users report it stands up to repeated use. Its charger is equally well thought out, a minimalist wooden block that's aesthetically pleasing and functional, serving as a storage case that keeps the probe charged between uses. Users highlight how it takes the stress out of preparing complex meals, making it less of a luxury and more of a necessity when aiming for perfection in every bite. You can now cook with confidence, particularly when preparing something as central to Thanksgiving as the roast. And there you have it, 9 cookware essentials that will make your Thanksgiving cooking a breeze. Remember, good tools are an investment, and these picks are sure to be by your side for many holidays to come. Check out the links below to snag these items for yourself. Let us know in the comments which one you're eyeing for your kitchen this holiday season. Happy cooking, and even happier Thanksgiving!